Okay, so today we're going to be solving a triangle proof of two scalene triangles. And based on the markings that we've already put down, we're going to be using the side angle side method to prove that. And we already have our given. So, based on how this is set out, let's get to solving it. Okay, so we have our given. Which is AB is congruent to ED. And so, in our reason is given. Then we have AB is perpendicular bisector of ED. And that's also given. We also have the measure of angle A, B, C is a right angle. And that's the definition of perpendicular. Okay, and then in our fourth step is going to be ED. The measure of angle EDC is a right angle. That's also, the reason for that is definition of perpendicular. And our next step, step 5, is measure of angle ABC is congruent to the measure of angle EDC. And the reason for that is one of our only two things that we can just pull out of nowhere, which is vertical angles and reflexive. And this is actually just all right angles are congruent. Step 6, which is C, is the midpoint of BD. And the reason for that is already given up here. And then next step is step 7, which is BC is congruent to DC. And that's the definition of midpoint. That's the reason for that. And then our final step, step 8, is the proven, which is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDC. And the reason for that is what I already stated up here, which is side, angle, side.